Good morning. It's Mommy and Liam. And today we are going to make blueberry buttermilk biscuits. Are you excited? All right.
Yeah.
So the first thing that we've done is we have pre-sprayed a 8x8 baking dish. And now we're going to take 1 stick of melted butter. Can you get this? Stop. And we're going to pour it into the baking dish. Good job. All right. And we're going to take that and we're going to set it to the side. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we're going to take 2.5 cups of flour. We're going to take 1/4 cup of sugar. Put that in. We're going to take a tablespoon of baking powder. And okay. And a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And put that in. And then here, can you stir it together with this?
Yeah.
We're gonna whisk that together.
Yeah. You don't have to stir it up together. Yeah.
Stir it together.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And before we done, we don't listen to Papa and Mama.
Hang on just a second. Okay, hang on. Now we have 1 3/4 cups of buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
Pour that in.
Put that in.
And now
Now.
we're gonna stir it up. Okay? You wanna show them your whisk? Or
Yeah.
your spatula?
Yeah.
So Liam wanted to use a gingerbread spatula. So we're gonna stir that together.
Yeah.
And be gentle.
Actually, I want to do both. Look, Daddy. I'm making it up together.
Hang on. You gotta get it
I got to do it by myself. Okay, I said, okay, Mommy.
Okay, hang on just a second.
I want to do it by myself.
Hang on just a second. Here, look up.
Ow.
Okay, here.
Blueberry.
Here, hang on. Here.
Thank you. Mommy,
Okay,
thank
stir it
you.
together.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Can you stir it together?
Yeah. You see the poo?
Shh.
You see the poo?
There's no food. Don't talk about it.
Yeah, the poo.
Okay, let me see it real quick. Okay. So it's gonna be kind of thick. This one's a little thin, but that's okay.
Yeah, Mommy, is this white dot blueberries?
We're fixing to put the blueberries in.
Okay, let's put blueberries in there. Look,
No, leave that there.
don't put sugar.
Hang on.
I need a
Hang
break.
No. Grab the blueberries and bring them over here. Okay.
Grab the blueberries.
Now, put the blueberries in. We're going to dump them in. Oh, that works too. One at a time.
2 at a time. 1 at a time. 1 at a time. 2 at a time. 1 at a time. 1 at a time. 2 at a time. 1 at a time.
So this is 1.5 cups of blueberries.
Not yet. Let's do that some more.
Yep.
We have to use them all.
Mm-hmm.
My hand's freezing.
They are kind of cold.
Yeah. Those are hot.
Mm-hmm.
These are hot. These are burn my hands.
No, they're cold.
Yeah, I know. But it turned my hands red. See, it turned my hands red.
Purple, yep.
Oh. And these are blueberries. Oh.
It's the jar.
Oh.
Grab more of them than just one.
Huh?
Come on.
Drink.
Can you put more than one in at a time?
Yeah.
Here, just take the bowl and dump it.
No.
Scoop them out. Scoop them out with your hand.
I can't put them in.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Leave it in there. Okay.
Just moving it. Blueberries. Yeah. Blueberries. Blueberries good. Blueberries good.
Mm-hmm.
I like blueberries.
Me too.
We got green blueberries.
These are not green. What color are they? It's
Huh?
Go ahead. Come on. Okay, let's scoop the rest of them in.
No.
Yep.
No.
Dump them in. There we go. Okay,
Yeah.
grab those few out and put them in.
Yeah. Let's grab it. Let's grab it.
All right. Now,
Stir it up.
stir.
This is my spatula.
Mhm.
And now we got another spatula.
No, stop. Liam, quit.
I want another spatula
No.
for me.
This one's it. Here,
Huh?
stir them up.
Blue.
Kind of purple, isn't it?
Blue.
Is it blue?
Yeah. It's blue from purple and blue.
Okay. So we've got the blueberries. Now here, hang on.
Put
No,
this in.
we got that's the topping.
Why?
It just is.
For her?
Gotta make sure it's all stirred up.
For Mama?
Yep. You think Mama would like these?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna pour this into our buttered dish, okay? So hang on, let Mommy help you. Whoop.
Okay,
hang on.
In the double dish.
Let's go like this, okay?
Yeah.
And
Mommy.
that's okay.
Mommy.
What?
I can't
Hang on, let me
do
dump it in, and then I'll let you spread it out, okay?
it. Split it out. I can play in it now.
No, we're not gonna play in it.
Why?
Yes.
My teacher let me play in this.
Your teacher let you play in food?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, hang on.
And you don't let me.
I'll let you.
You don't let me play in food. You don't let me play in food.
We cook food.
No, we don't play in food.
Okay,
Play
now,
in food.
hang on, we gotta. Is that how you're gonna spread it out?
Yeah. That's how
Here,
I
whoa,
spread it.
okay, whoa, that way.
I don't spread it out.
Hang on, we gotta spread it out. Quick.
I got to.
Okay, you've done it. Okay, stop before you spoosh it everywhere.
Okay, this is the icing.
Now, hang on.
Let's put the
We're gonna
icing
make
in.
that here in just a second. We gotta put it in the oven first.
Okay, I got
Here.
the knife.
Hang on. Oh, the oven's ready.
Oh.
That was perfect timing, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, now Mommy's gonna go put these in, okay? Can you tell them that we're gonna put it in a 450 degree oven
400.
and 50 degrees
50 degrees.
for 25
For 20.
25 to 30 minutes.
25 minutes. Okay. Put
Okay.
in my
We don't
minutes.
need this. Okay. Now, hang on. Okay.
Minutes.
So, that's how you make the biscuits.
How you make a message after we do icing?
So, again, put it into a 450 degree oven
Yeah.
for 25
Yeah,
to
Mommy.
30
Yeah,
minutes.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Rotate the pan halfway
Yeah.
through so
Halfway
that
through.
they're all golden brown. And then
Golden
you're going to
brown.
make your topping. So we're going to go ahead
Topping.
and make it, and we're going to leave it sitting on the
Yeah.
side.
On the side, after we do the bite and the put this in the this oven, we open this oven.
Okay,
We can
I'm
eat
gonna
it, or we wanna eat it. Okay, we're gonna do this.
Okay. So
No,
this
Mommy,
is, hang on.
Mommy, I don't know. We don't do this.
Okay, so
And-
this
and
is
this.
this is a
And
cup of.
And
Hang
and
on.
this
Hey,
and this and
hang
that
on.
and that.
Okay, this
Yeah.
is a cup of powdered sugar. And we're going to add in a tablespoon at a time of milk.
Milk?
And stir it together until it's like a glaze consistency.
Yes, that. And we don't eat it all we want. We don't eat it all we want. And we eat the rest of one mammal. I eat the rest.
Okay. So we did not have a full cup of powdered sugar.
No, we didn't.
We had about between a half and 3/4. So we only needed 1 tablespoon of
And
milk.
1 tablespoon for...
But if you had the full cup of milk,
No,
you would
wait, some
need
more.
2 to 3 tablespoons. So we're going to wait for these to bake in the oven, and then we'll come back and show you how to drizzle. See you soon. Hey guys, all right, so we are back. The biscuits have come out of the oven. What do you think, Liam? Do they look good? Yeah? All right, so now we're gonna take our glaze that we made earlier, and can you help Mommy glaze it over?
I can't.
You can't.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can't.
Come on.
But we're gonna do pumpkin butt. We're gonna do pumpkin butt. Pumpkin butt.
Okay.
Pumpkin butt.
Here.
Pumpkin butt. We're gonna do pumpkin butt.
So obviously, if we had a lot more drizzle, we would be able to coat them better.
Yeah.
But we used what we had.
Yeah, we used what we had. Under there. I play in there whenever I want to. But I did.
Okay. Now
Now.
we're going to take and we're going to go ahead and cut them into 9 squares.
What did I? Yeah.
Remember, be careful, it's hot, okay? All right, here. You gonna help me cut them?
Yeah. This is my tape.
Look. Okay. So again, just going ahead and cutting these into 9 squares.
Yeah.
So
And we're gonna
that,
bake that bad boy.
so that we are ready to eat them.
Yep.
All right, Liam, are you ready to eat?
Not yet.
Yeah?
Not yet. It's still got some blood.
All right. Can we tell everybody bye and we're gonna go eat breakfast?
Bye.
All right, we'll see you next time when we're cooking in the kitchen. Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Say see you soon.
I'll see you soon.